I would say actually, and I jokingly say to some countries, this is what our program looks like, but don't try it at home, all right? Because unless you've got these great academic institutions and unless you've got this culture which we have, it is going to be more difficult, but you can't rest on your laurels. We do need to keep oiling back bits of a machine which are essential for this translation of science into good economic activity. And I think that's really where ISCF, or I was going to describe the ISCF program, is we've been putting a limited amount of oil into exactly the right parts to make the machine move smoothly. If quantum's around for several decades and is important to the economy, we've just got to be more attractive than everywhere else. We've got to hold our own, and that means the good science base, science superpower, we've heard the minister say. It means being able to do something with that science. It means an innovation nation. But it really means an attention to the detail in that, which is keep supporting the stuff which is going well. Because I know the world changes, we know science changes, but actually businesses don't change that much. You need to support them and help them do what they need to do to grow. Well, I think there are two things to say. One is I hope more of the same, because if it's working, for heaven's sake, don't stop. And that's the case we're making within government for more funding. So I think we've had ISCF. It would be nice to see ISTF 2.0, if you want to use the expression, more of that funding of companies. But you've also got to keep the science going, because this isn't a single technology which is developing, and there are other aspects of quantum science which are going to be important. So we're looking at almost a two-pronged model. We want to continue with funding companies, we want to continue with the sort of hubs we've got at the moment, but we've also got to keep feeding the pipeline at the beginning, which is there's some very new areas of research which weren't even thought about when we set the programme up, which we now would like to see. Actually, we're thinking about how we're going to start introducing that technology into a pipeline. I think one of the things we've learned is those who are looking for funding, particularly on the university side, paint this landscape of they've got to achieve the mountaintop and they've got to cross the valley of death. Now, don't over-egg the fact that it's a long journey. If you've got a really good idea and you know how to play the game properly, ideas can turn into products very quickly.